In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit a photo in Sketchbook. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Sketchbook, and I want you to go to the File section on the top left corner where you can add your image or import the photo that you wanted to edit. Once you have imported your photo, your image will now appear on the canvas. It's very important that you open the layer editor. For you to be able to do that, I want you to click the Windows and click the layer editor, which will appear on the right side. Now, before making any edits, if you want to duplicate the layer, you can do that for a non-destructive work. So let's do that. I'm going to add another image here. You see this image icon? So now I have two images. I can move freely the images that I wanted. And from here, you can do a lot of things. For example, I'm going to click the layer and I can add a clipping color for that. And then, of course, you can use the brushes if you wanted. For example, this, you can cross and you can add more text along the way. Now, you can always experiment with the brightness, contrast, and of course, the opacity if you wanted like this, or go to the blending mode. You can use alpha mask, darken, and multiply. It's up to you. And of course, once you are happy, all you have to do is click the File section and save it for a new format. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to edit photos here in Sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.